Hello guys, welcome to an Elev Adventures by Cubs Rule 2040 vacuum cleaner video. What we have here is a Perfect Vax commercial vacuum cleaner, Sanitaire ripoff, with a Sanitaire bag. Let's look underneath the thing and see what model number it is. Model P101, serial number 0612000914. And Elevator Man 155 and all of you vacuum cleaner enthusiasts, this video is dedicated to you. So again, this is a Sanitaire knockoff, but again with a Sanitaire bag. And I think the serial number, just like the Sanitaires, is a dead giveaway for which year the vacuum cleaner was manufactured in. I believe this one was made in, I think, 2006. I'm holding the TX20 in my left hand, so there may be a little bit of shaking. Without further ado, here we go. Elevator Man 155, you're gonna love this. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed this vacuum video. Once again, Elevator Man 155. Hope you enjoyed it as well. And I guess I'll say that is it. Hope you enjoyed it.